Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in the last videos, we learned the structure of simple tenses, uses of simple present tense, and uses of simple past tense. In this video, we are going to learn uses of simple future tense. This table will give you a brief idea about the structure of simple future tense, or we can say that it is the revision of the structure of simple future tense. Now let us see, according to types of the sentences, what will be the verb structure, and this will be given you with examples. In the affirmative sentence of simple future tense, we find shall or will with the verb in the original form. Verb in the original form is called root verb. The examples are I shall write a book, we shall write a book, he will write a book, the girls will write a book. Let us take down negative sentence. In the negative sentence, the verb structure is shall or will with not. That means shall not, will not with the root verb. Now, the examples are I shall not write a book. She will not write a book. They will not write a book. If in simple future tense the sentence is interrogative, we find that the sentence begins with the helping verbs shall and will, which is followed by subject, and subject is followed by root verb. Examples will make the point clear. Shall we write a book? Will Rohit write a book? Now, let us move to the next slide, which will give us the examples. I will write articles on different topic. We have made the use of will. Will is followed by verb in the original form. Again with will, only main verb comes there. The root form of the verb comes there. वेगवेगळ्या टॉपिकवर मी लेख लिहीन. व्हॉट इज द वर्ब लिहीन. एकच क्रियापद मराठीमध्ये, तसं विलच्या सोबत इथं पण एकच क्रियापद येत असतं. रोहन विल रीड व्हेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स. रोहन विविध प्रकारचे पुस्तक वाचेल. वाचेल किंवा वाचणार, करणार, बोलणार, ह्या अर्थाने जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो at that time, that is future tense, that is simple future tense, and we make the use of this verb structure. The boys will play football in that field. त्या field मध्ये मुलं फुटबॉल खेळणार. अंजू will prefer coffee to tea. चहापेक्षा अंजूला कॉफी आवडणार. Babita will go to the library tomorrow. Tomorrow, this word gives us the clear-cut idea about the future action. And so what happened here? We have made the use of simple future tense. We will go for shopping in that market this Monday. ह्या सोमवारी आपण मार्केटमध्ये शॉपिंगसाठी जाणार. Next examples. We shall watch a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. You will shop at that market tomorrow. I shall sing different kinds of songs, especially modern. So you have observed that uh, all the sentences are in simple future tense because we find the structure will or shall with the root verb. Now, let us discuss the functions of simple future tense. Generally, simple future tense is used to express the actions in the future. भविष्य काळात घडणाऱ्या क्रिया काही असो त्या. These can be decisions, assumptions or predictions. मग तुम्ही घेतलेले निर्णय असो, तुम्ही काही गृहीत धरलेलं असो, किंवा तुम्ही काही भाकीत करणार असाल. Whatever be the mood. But here all these actions will be expressed in future tense. The signal words of future tense are tomorrow, next month, in a month, next week, next Monday, next Sunday, next year, etc. Let us discuss the examples. It will be summer soon. लवकरच उन्हाळा सुरू होणार आहे. That is future action. Julia will complete her assignment. जुलिया तिची असाइनमेंट पूर्ण करणार किंवा पूर्ण करेन. Next one, what is given to here? Let us see. He will attend the meeting tomorrow. He will attend the meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow is the signal word and it gives us the idea that we must make the use of a simple future tense. That means we should make the use of will with root verb. Let us discuss the uses of a simple future tense one by one with examples. Simple future tense is used to express prediction about future. भविष्याविषयी जर काही भाकीत केलं जात असेल तर आपण ह्या टेन्सचा वापर करतो. Look at the example. There will be next generation robots in 2050. 2050 मध्ये पुढील पिढीचे रोबोट असतील. That is prediction. Next one. We make the use of simple future tense to express future decisions. Example, I will attend a meeting next Monday. That is my decision of attending the meeting next Monday. And so here I have made the use of will attend. Next one, to express promise or offer. काही वचन किंवा काही ऑफर द्यायची असेल तरी आपण will किंवा shall with root verb वापरत असतो. I will help you cook milk. Will help cook you milk. म्हणजे तुला स्वयंपाक करण्यामध्ये मी मदत करेन. That is my promise. That is my offer. To express actions that are not in our control. काही actions आपल्या कंट्रोलमध्ये नसतात. त्याच्यासाठी we make the use of a simple future tense. For example, it will be Sunday tomorrow. उद्या रविवार असणार आहे. That means we are speaking about future, future action, future state. And so we make the use of a simple future tense. Example sentences. He will work to improve his communication skills. त्याचं संवाद कौशल्य विकसित करण्यासाठी तो काम करणार आहे. She will go to the market tomorrow. Tomorrow is the signal word. ती उद्या मार्केटला जाणार आहे. John will buy a torch. John एक टॉर्च विकत घेणार आहे. Shall I book a room for you? तुझ्यासाठी मी रूम बुक करू का? That is also future planning. And so here what happened? In polite request, we have made the use of question sentence. She will be 10 years old next week. Next week, that is the signal word, which gives us the clear-cut idea about the future action. They will go to the beach on the weekend. On the weekend, it gives us the clear-cut idea that the time is the future. And so we have made the use of simple future tense. He will learn how to speak French. That is also future one. I will travel around the world. That is my decision. Will you marry me? Next, I will call you back later. She will buy him a present. So in this way, we have seen the examples of simple future tense. We can make the use of going to express future tense. Simple future tense. Now, finally, there is one more construction for the simple future tense, and the formula is am is are plus going to plus root verb. For example, saying I am going to, before here discussing the example, let us see I am going to, that is common in everyday language, and it is better suited to casual conversation. Examples will make the point clear. I will win this race. We can also make the use of going to express future action. I am going to win this race. मी ही रेस जिंकणार आहे. I will move to Europe. मी युरोपला जाणार आहे. याच्याऐवजी आय एम गोइंग टू मूव टू युरोप. ही इज गोइंग टू रन होम. घर तो चालवणार आहे. We can also say he will run home. Next one, we are going to bake a pie. That means we will bake a pie. That means instead of will and shall, we can make the use of am, is, are plus going to. Next example, we will sail to the shoreline. Instead of this one, we can say we are going to sail to the shoreline. Here I have completed the uses of simple future tense. Thank you very much for watching my video. In the next session, I will be before you with continuous progressive tenses. Especially the next video will be about structure of continuous tenses or structure of progressive tenses. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and others as well as subscribe it. Thank you.